Welcome to Ditto's NC, the mansion of Sugar Ditto. In this video, finally, I will open some products of Champions Path. As you can see, looking for the Charizard Shiny or the Charizard VMAX. Well, I'm going to open this and Ditto want to kill her. Okay, let's open this one first. Here we go. First, let's see the promo cards of this special pink collection. Lapras and a Colossal, and the pins of the jeans. The pins of the jeans. Very nice pins, by the way. And the most important, the boosters. And I almost forgot the code for you. This is the code. Well, the next one is this one, another special pin collection. Let's see the promo cards again. Wait a minute, please, or not. I'm a champ and a Gengar, and the jeans badges. The code, and the most important part of the video. I'm looking for the Charizards, as I said before, so hopefully I will pull one or both. Let's see. One, two, three, four. The energy, a Beedrill, a Vodafone, a Milo, Purloin, Scraggy, Pokeball, Linum, Hatina, Zigzagoon, and Obstagoon holographic. The code 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4. The energy, a Victini, Sonia, Kaboo, another Scraggy, Vakvoof, Vulpix, Linum, Full Heal, Matchup, and Machamp holographic. The next one. What happened with the code? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The energy, Sharpedo, Arbok, Hope, Full Heal, Purloin, Kakuna, Trubbish, Hatina, Sigarde, and Hatterene. Nothing so amazing at the moment. The code 1, 2, 3, 4. the energy, Kaboo, Absol, Beedrill, Ekans, Whittle, Linum, Scraggy, Volley, Full Heal, and Altaria. The next one, the code 1, 2, 3, 4, the energy, Victini, Kaboo, Tingelgrant, Swablu, Scraggy, Carvana, Zigzagoon, Kakuna, Sonia, and a Lickenlock. Where are my Charizard? Let's see. The code 1, 2, 3, 4. The energy, Arbok, Vattenbike, Suspicious, Footing, Slispit, Pokeball, Weedle, Kakuna, Carvana, Potion, and Professor Research. I have 4 more packs, hoping something amazing or something beautiful. Let's try something different as always, but well, first the code, matchup, Ekans, Swablu, Inkay, Hatina, energy, and a Sigarde. Another energy, Sonia, Kaboo, and Beat. Three more. The code, Ekans, Kakuna, Nikit, Swablu, matchup, Centiscorch, another Professor Research, energy, Sonia, Lippard, and Tingelgrant. The code, Linum, Carvana, Swablu, Sizzlipit, Weedle, another energy, and another Professor Research. Another energy, Beedrill, Hatrim, and Milo. Well, looks very bad this opening, but let's see how it finishes. Okay, the code 1, 2, 3, 4. The energy, Sonia, Vattenbike, Charpedo, Purine, Pokeball, Inkay, Zigzagoon, Trubbish, Vulpix, and a Dread now B. At least I pulled a beautiful card at the end for the collection. A Dread now B is not the Charizard, but I take it. Well, this is all for this video. I hope you like it. These are the pins, the badges pins, and the promo cards. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up if you like it, and let's see in the the next video. Bye bye.